Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about launch control. And if you recall, last year I did a launch control video and I spun the tires like crazy. Here's that video. And let's try it out. So after looking at that video, did you guys notice anything? Well, if you're looking close enough, and I missed this myself, but if you look close enough, the launch control mode was actually deactivated before I launched. And when I put the video together even, and I edited it, I didn't notice it. It's a split second. And I'll show you that right here. So to make a long story short, my launch control video was completely invalid because it actually deactivated before I could launch. So I went ahead and did a couple launch controls today, and that's what I want to talk about. So the long and the short of it is I did two different runs on two different road surfaces, and I actually really kind of like launch control because it's easy. However, with my 245 tires, I can still get a better 0 to 60 time just easing into the throttle. But I think once I get my 275s, I'm going to try this again and post up another video, and I'm very, very confident that I'm going to get better 0 to 60 times with my 275s versus my 245s. Now, with the launch control, with the OEM 245s, you still get a good amount of wheel spin. However, when you do launch, you feel the car pull back that power a little bit, so it doesn't spin quite as wild. And then you get to a certain point where it just unleashes the power again. So it's kind of cool because it does control the wheel spin a little bit, but you still spin too much. So like I said before, once I get the 245s and a little bit stickier rubber and better road conditions, I think that the launch control will be really nice. And I've done it wrong every single time I've tried it up until today. Watching MDG Collection's video really helped me out a lot. So he did a launch control video as well, and basically it's very, very important to really slam down on that brake and quickly apply wide open throttle at the same time, because I don't think I was hitting the brake down far enough, or I was too quick to get off the brake, or not on the throttle quick enough. But every single time I failed. Now that it's mastered, it's really easy to do, and you know, you don't have to sweat it. I actually like it a lot now. So, you know, once I get those 245s and I can do this consistently, it'd be an outstanding way to launch. So I'm going to the track this year once or twice, and I will definitely be testing it out there as well. But here are my two launch control videos. One was on kind of not great road surface. It was more like an asphalt. And the second one was on a concrete. And I always seem to hook up better on the concrete launches versus the asphalt. And the second launch was 5.1, which isn't bad considering the wheel spin I got. So if I could get sub 5s with 275s and launch control on a consistent basis, that'd be fantastic, because easing into the throttle really does take a lot of work. So check out these two videos here, And like, subscribe, and comment. And hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you have good weather, enjoy your weather. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Alright guys, so I'm going to try launch control again. Give it another go. Alright guys, so Modern Muscle 213 has inspired me to try launch control. So I set it up, and I'm waiting for an opportunity here to do it, and let's try it out.